Welcome to Wonderland Weekly, hosted by Toronto Ty. Now sit back and have a wonderful week.
Hey everyone, Toronto Ty back here at Canada's Wonderland once again for another amazing week. I don't know how much new stuff there will be, but I am still going to try to get on quite a few rides. And I mean, it does seem like a fairly busy day, which is not too much fun for me, but it is what it is. And yeah, I will show off anything new that I do find, and just gonna have a great day here at Canada's Wonderland. Woohoo! I know I've said it at least once this season already, but the park definitely seems to have done something to Soaring Timbers. It is running way better this year compared to previous years. So that is really awesome. Yeah, no, just had a really fun ride on it. It's still not, you know, like the most intense ride, but it's definitely better than it than it has been. So yeah, very good to see the park investing, you know, some time, resources, maybe money into yeah, getting some of these rides that yeah, you know, are maybe not as beloved to yeah, just giving them a little extra TLC. Over here by Snoopy's Racing Railway. Absolutely love that the park built this coaster. And yeah, oh man, the sign is so good too. Like the fact that it tells, you know, it shows the main characters and everything. Anyway, for some reason the park still has this construction fence with scrim on it. Yeah, blocking off views of not really much of anything, just grass. That seems a bit odd to me, but they have added these signs that say stroller parking here across from the entrance. So yeah, that is good and definitely very important for the kids park. So yeah, great to see that. Alright everyone, it is getting close to the end of the video, and you all know what that means. It is time for trivia time! Yes, and so for this week's trivia time, I want you to let me know in the comments below. Wild Bees here at Canada's Wonderland has been thrilling riders since May 23rd, 1981, but it is actually not an original coaster design. It's based off of a different wooden roller coaster. Which one? If you can let me know that in the comments below, I will give you a shout out in my next video. And a huge shout out to Baker FX, Aldo Parisi, Bob's Bowling Stuff, and Deo Tai1 for all correctly stating that Vortex from Kings Island is the coaster that donated one of its trains to help keep Dragonfire alive here at Canada's Wonderland. Thank you so much to everyone who participated. And next time you go on Wild Beast, maybe look in the maintenance area. Here, you might just be able to see that train from Kings Island hidden. Hidden somewhere back. It's not really that hidden. But anyway, do let me know what coaster Wild Beast's layout is based off of. And if you do, I will give you a shout out in my next video. Well, that'll about do it for this week here at Canada's Wonderland. It was another really awesome day. Yeah, got on more rides than I thought I might, based on how the crowds were seeming this morning. So that is always good. Got some good food, got some decent food, you know. But yeah, no, I did have a really fun time. And yeah, looking forward to more visits, including more entertainment, which is going to be starting up next week. So yeah, definitely looking forward to that. And just going to be having a great time here at Canada's Wonderland every week. Make sure that you're subscribed to all that. And until next time, as always, have a good one.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.